Today we're gonna be replacing an element in an oven range GE front controls. Remove the knobs, and then we have those plastic holders. Turner, just easy. You don't have to use heavy tools to do that. Just with your fingers. Make sure you cut the power before do anything like this. After we remove the 4 plastic knobs, we're going to take the front panel out. Now we have to remove 4 screws. To remove this front panel, 4 screws, and the panel is coming up. Now we have to remove the frame. Some screws in the front and the ones in the bottom. After you remove the screws, you can pull out the frame. Now we have another 2 screws holding the top to the wrench. Only 2 screws. We're going to lose the 2 screws, and it's you can pull it out right away, but now we have to disconnect 2 connectors. We disconnect these 2 connectors, and then it's gonna be easy to pull it out complete. Okay, now we have it out. We can put it in the countertop. This is the element we're going to be replacing. Put it in the countertop. The clips, they have some numbers where they are located. Make sure you remember those numbers. That way it's gonna be in the right position. When you start removing the wires, be careful because you don't want to do any damage in those terminals. Do it really easy. Use a screwdriver or something to make it loose. Those are the clips holding the element in position. This element have a problem in the center. The center burned out right there in that spot. Double check all the connection. Make sure you have the right colors in the right position before you put it back. It's a good idea to take picture of the connection. That way you never make a mistake. Now it's time to put everything together. If you like the video, like and subscribe. Thank you.